Nong nya trok hakajingilam jongka Meghalaya Truckers Association menta kasngi kila pensngo ya usembut Menteri Rangba uba Prestun Tensong halor kajingkta kakamai kaji jongki nong nya trok kibakit doyong. Hakador khas bala ai uba Tensong kani kekenhun kala yathu babon na kinong nya trok kit do bilat kila du no ila kajakpo namar ya kani kekam lakni no dakibar jela. Kinong yalam jongan ni kaseng kilaya turu bagi try bapenmi do bilat kim syam la buram satya ya kata ka notification bala penmi da katana transport jong ka sarkar jela. Kani ka konhun kala kenturu ya uba tensong ba umdei ban pen kriya no ya ki warehouse ki badan ha khat lai mer khat khandai mer bad ha berni namar ka jingdon jengki ka yarap ban pen yo kam yo jam ya ki driver truck.
Give this memorandum to the Deputy Chief Minister regarding the grievances of the truckers in the state of Meghalaya, whereby all these truckers who are transporting cement and clinker from Longsunong to various parts of the country have faced a lot of problems, and the problem is because of the unavailable of trips given by the cement plant to the local truckers in the state of Meghalaya. So for this particular issues, we have talked to the cement company, we have sit with them in a meeting, we have demanded from them that at least 85% of transportation of cement and clinker, as well as any other product that produce in any factories within the state of Meghalaya should be given to local truckers, whether they belong to Meghalaya Trucker Union or to any other union. But it should be given preference to the local authorities, local truckers. And why we are demanding up to 85% is because recently we have seen that Star Cement alone have purchased around 250 trucks to transport cement from their plant to various parts of the country. And as far as the news and the information that we receive, Star Cement is still in the process of ordering another 250 trucks. So that they can transport the products to different parts of the country. If 500, 600 trucks are owned by these cement companies, what will be the condition of the local truckers which are here in the state of Meghalaya? Are we going to go out of job? If we are going to go out of job, how do we serve food in the plate of our family? So that is a very big concern for the Meghalaya Truckers Union. That is the reason why we have talked to the cement company, but the cement company up to now they are adamant to our demands. They have not given any assurance that they will solve the problem, or they have not given us any assurance that they will give us even to some extent any quotas. That is the reason why today we came and meet the Deputy Chief Minister, whereby we have also talked regarding the Meghalaya Industrial Policy 2012, where we have suggested to the Deputy Chief Minister that maybe it is time for the government to amend the Meghalaya Industrial Policy 2012, whether they should add transportation as one of the main employment for the local truckers in the state of Meghalaya. The total trip from Star Cement is a lot. So 250 trucks plus the other 250, it comes to around 500 trucks. So if 500 trucks are owned only by Star Cement to transport their own cement, we don't expect any loss, but we are expecting a total loss where our businesses will be shut down in a very few months. It's a total loss. It's not a loss of a few percentage, but it will be a total loss. We need to sit on the table to negotiate. This is a business deal. It's not about that we should win or they should win. This should be a win-win situation for the cement companies as well as for the truckers like us, so that everybody should go home and be happy. It's not us that right now we will not be able to invite the cement company along with us for the negotiation, because the code of conduct is there for the by-election. So this particular work will be after the 30th of October, where we finish the by-election.